Hello, my name is Matt Wood. I come from Team Mapme, along with Brandon Russell and James Williams. We have been working on a project that will help. Hold on, sorry, I'm a little tired. Okay. As you know, the internet is full of security and privacy concerns. So we have been working on an app that will help the consumer, the browser, be more aware of websites that they're going to and help them make wiser choices where they spread their public information. To start out the presentation, I would like to show you a video. Oh, no, audio.
Identity stolen again?
Mapme keeps you safe by showing you where you're submitting your personal information.
I'm so tired from this 24-hour hackathon. Oh, what's this suspicious site over here?
Stop! Don't worry, we got your back. Check sites before you visit with Mapme.
Oh, Mom, how I do hope to visit England someday.
But wait! Team Mapme will show you that you have visited England.
Thanks, Team Mapme. Hi, my name's James Williams, and I'm with Team Mapme. You may be asking, why would you care about Mapme? Well, I'm going to tell you why.
Install and use Mapme's Chrome extension to monitor website locations as you browse.
Look up questionable sites using the search feature within the Mapme Chrome extension.
See a feed of recently visited website locations. Travel the world with Mapme.
Thank you. So, I would like you all to participate in a live demo. As you know, these live demos sometimes don't go as planned, but it's worth a shot. So I'd like to invite you all to open your mobile phones to Mapme.rocks. And you might be able to see it in a minute or two. As you're on the site, you'll see the home page, and I would like you all to click on the Find Me link towards the top. You might have to click on the little expansion menu. And you should see a map of where we're finding your current public IP is located. So this is an IP address that's registered with the GeoIP service. We actually have downloaded. There are public GeoIP databases, and so we have an API that is listening to requests and will respond with city, region, and country. You can also, from the home page, type in a domain that you're curious, like maybe I want to buy a book from a store, but I don't know if it's a legitimate store. So there's a store, I don't know if you guys have heard about Amazon.com. We can put that in and we see, okay, well, they're being hosted out of Seattle, Washington. Also, as we're browsing the internet, maybe we're on a website like Valley Hackathon, and we want to know, okay, this looks like a really fun event. I want to know if it's legit. Maybe they're some like a foreign website and they just want my personal information. So I can click on my Chrome extension and see, okay, well, this is hosted locally, San Francisco, California. Doesn't mean that they're legitimate, but at least it's not some foreign country trying to get my information. Also, while I'm on this site, I can type in other domains like twitter.com and see a map of that.
Yeah.
Did any of you have success with the Find Me link?
Yeah.
Yes. Very cool. You can also, as you saw in the video, see a feed of a recent lookup. So these are anyone that uses the service. We store just the domain, IP, and the location of the destination server, not of the source client. We don't want to store any unique identifying information. So we can also see we've been doing several searches in the last 24 hours, so these are a lot of the searches over that time. You can see we've been on websites almost all over the world. So,
Turn me off. That's time on presentation. Questions from the judges.
So when I look up a domain, are you looking at the physical location the company that registered the domain is in, or are you looking at the IP of the server that hosts the site?
the IP, not the registration address of the domain name. You can also look up just an IP address, and we're looking in a GeoIP database, which is updated by IP registries like IANA, Aaron.
Because it wouldn't be shocking if Valley Hackathon was hosted by a hosting company that has its domains located in London or something.
Absolutely.
Right, it's a big geographic.
Yeah. So yeah, the IP ranges are usually registered to a region, and we're looking at that information.
How else, other than the location, do you think you could help a user figure out if the website's legitimate or not?
Yeah, so another thing that we were looking at, didn't have enough time to implement, was looking at all of the resources on a page and then deciding if a majority of them were coming from one hosting or one country, one region, and there was maybe one JavaScript resource or some other resource on the page coming from a separate country. It might be possible that someone injected some JavaScript code or something like that. I mean, it's just, we could flag warnings. We also wanted to do some notifications based on, if you put in a country list, you might receive notifications, warnings that one of the resources on the page is from that country.
And that is time on questions. Thank you.
Show me websites near me.